14 millimeter. 14 millimeter nut, 24 millimeter. You got 170,000 miles. There's absolutely nothing left in that. Bimetal blade and sawzall, link in the description below. Carefully cut a thin part. Cut that off. I can just take this old one off. Gently. Just at my thumb, what we're gonna cut. Grab it, you need to rotate the boot up so that the piece is visible, like we just saw before. And then use a flat head underneath here, and that allows you to kind of rotate. The boot is out, and you can see, right, we gripped on it. Nippers down here. It did enough so that it's not really doing anything. Now we can cut this off. Blow comes from AutoZone, or a female piece fits on the flats on the back of the tie rod. These two tabs align with these two slots. So once you broke it loose with the breaker bar, it's just unscrewing the tie rod end. Just screw it right in. Tighten it up. Any other videos that go through methods for this, we're going to match the lengths of these two to be exactly the same. Not going to be perfect, but our alignment shop is right down the road. Put the old boot back on, help slide this on. Really make it out in this image because of the way the car is, but it's above this lip. We will zip tie that. Routers, link in the description below. We'll put this right back on. First order, put this in, and then put this on. This new one's a 17, 32 to 41 foot-pounds, so. And this will just be tightened up before you get to the alignment shop to hold what you got. So we got a 17 on the right, crescent on the left. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.